Hello and welcome to another episode of farm welding. Oh, not so good focus here. Focus, you little bastard. No. What it says on the rod is UTP 65. That is a rod from UTP, Welding Supplies. And sometimes you need to weld things in a farm operation like cogs and gears. Then it's the right kind of stick for that. It becomes very hard, about the same harness as of a common gear. It burns easy. It's an electrode that you can run DC plus or DC minus. It tends to run better on DC plus. And it's good for building up material on cogs and gears and stuff like that. Also for welding spring steel. That it also works too. But when you're welding springs, as I said before, you should be a bit careful with the temperature, because springs tend to lose their springiness if they get too hot.